Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to send crypto from your Exodus wallet. Sending digital assets can seem complex, but with a few simple steps, you can do it securely. We will cover everything from initiating a transfer to confirming your transaction, ensuring your funds reach their destination safely. It's a straightforward process once you know the key details. To start, open your Exodus wallet and select the specific cryptocurrency you want to send. For instance, if you're sending Bitcoin, click on Bitcoin. Then, locate and click the Send button. You will then need to input the recipient's wallet address. Always double-check this address. A single incorrect character can lead to permanent loss of funds. Finally, enter the amount you wish to transfer. Before finalizing, it is crucial to review all the transaction details. This includes the recipient's address, the amount you are sending, and the network fees. Take a moment to compare the address you entered with the one provided by the recipient. These fees vary depending on network congestion and the specific cryptocurrency. Confirming these details helps prevent costly mistakes and ensures a smooth transfer. Once you are confident all details are correct, confirm the transaction. Your Exodus wallet will then broadcast it to the respective blockchain network. You can monitor its progress using a block explorer, typically accessible via a link in your wallet. Remember, transaction confirmation times can range from a few minutes to several hours, depending on network activity. Always prioritize the security of your wallet and recovery phrase.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.